I can't understand you.
What is your favorite breakfast item?
Dude, don't know.
I don't know.
Well, think of it. Is it
Who
eggs?
is it?
It's Santa Claus.
No, say it's Eugene.
It's who?
It's Eugene. Smoker.
Yeah. Who is it?
I told you, this is Eugene. What you doing? What is Jean there?
She's sleeping.
Can you wake her up for me? I have to ask her something. No, what? No, 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 no. She has work tomorrow. No, she'll be okay.
Okay, hold on.
Smoker.
Do you have a job? Do, Jim? Jim? Jim?
Is he really?
Oh my God, he's waking her up.
I don't know who it is. They gotta ask. Who is it?